Hey guys, so this is our F board. We're going to look at this and we're going to circle the pictures that start with the sound. All right, so let's look at this one. This is a picture of a fox. Do you hear at the beginning of fox? I do too, so I'm going to circle that. All right, next we have a picture of a pig. Pig. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of pig? Nah, we're not going to circle that one. All right, next we have a picture of fire. Fire. Do you hear the beginning of fire? Yes. All right. Next we have a picture of feet. Feet. Do you hear at the beginning of feet? I do too. I'm going to circle that one. Next you have a picture of a tooth. Tooth. Do you hear at the beginning of tooth? I don't either. Next, we have the number 4. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of 4? Me too. Good job, guys.